Right, stay tuned. Say how Baskite. I want for turn all I do this morning, yeah? You hear the listener this morning. Say how Baskite extending greetings to you, yeah? Say how Baskite tell you boku morning. Yes. They say make you stay tuned this morning. They say make you doing you radio sets. Stay fixed, stay blue near your radio, yeah? Say how Baskite get more tea for you this morning. And if in case you just listen, this is not a favorite program I can cancel you. Najala University Radio, yeah? The program titled Tayaba Skits. The program where they report the people to the people. Yes. The program where they tell about things that happen cuts across the nation. The program where they report the bad, the good, and the ugly. Right. Anyway, Tayaba Skits saying, they say Mr. Presenter, I can't find this money inside the studio. Yes. Stay tuned for that one there. Anyway, now wait, Tayaba Skits, anyway, now wait. They say make you stay tuned, stay glue, yeah? You know I make you go reduce what they talk. Or make you go out for what you talk, yeah? So now I make you can tell you, say make you denya your radio. Yes. Call Fambul, call neighbor. Say come listen. Quick one. Tayaba Skits, they go inside the basket this morning. They go now the headlines there, yeah? See the way they make story this morning. But before going inside the details, we go now headlines this morning. Yes. Stay tuned. Tayaba Skits say Moko inside the basket this morning. Yes. To be specific, yes. Mission Wood inside the basket this morning, huh? Stay tuned for that one day. Yes. What's happen there? Tayaba Skits say Moko inside the basket. Yes. Tayaba Skits say even inside Tayama tongue. Yes. Tayama inside the basket this morning. Tayaba Skits say. I say from Tayama, take go inside man or inside the basket. Along the way, what's in the happen? What's in the happen? Stay tuned for that one day. Yes. Tayaba Skits say, he said that issue where be happen inside McKinney tongue. Yes. What's in the go on now? Yes. Tayaba Skits say make you stay tuned for that one day. He will give you update, yeah. Now this and this sanitation. Teenage pregnancy. Yes. They inside the basket for you this morning. Stay tuned for that one day. Anyway, now yeah. Tayaba Skits say this on the program where they report the people to the people. This is the program where they talk about the thing the way they happen. Yes. Now a non-political program. Yes. A patriotic program. Yes. They say you get to be a patriotic Sierra Leonean. It's saying that me and you they make this country sweet. Yes. Tayaba Skits say, he say what commander do? Yes, from the Guinea embassy. Yes, Guinea embassy. Yeah. Sierra Leone embassy inside Guinea. What commander do they? Yeah. Stay tuned for that one day back. What's happen there? What's happen there? Quick, one make you go inside the basket and start the details. Yes. Tayaba Skits say inside Mission Road. He say, Papa, government, we don't pull what commander do inside the health, yes, the health business. They say, on no account, you deliver post in a house, yes. Tayaba Skits say, can't understand, say, he say, somebody go deliver somebody. But the woman go to one house, yes, along Mission Road. Yes, for go deliver. Waiting happen there. Inside this delivery now. Yes, fetch para. They happen say the pikin can die inside the belly. Yes. Tayaba Skits say this are alarming. They say this are blown. Yes. They say this one. Yes. They say government we don't say on no account you deliver post in house. Yeah. That make you get hospital. Yes. That make you get hospital. We get senior medical yes officer inside the hospital. So you see? Yes, stay tuned for that one day. Tayaba Skits say this, yes. He said this person, yeah. Yes, he go for go deliver na house. Fet pa. Tell they go na hospital now, water don't pass Gary. Say Abaski say this one alarming, yeah. They say dear. That I make them say, where you dey pa belle go join clinic, yes. Every week you go for checkup, yes. Now for when the belle go out, now you place that one day for go na hospital, yeah. Say Abaski say dear. They say this one a warning. So we can do the alpha business in the house. Anyway, Taya Basket come again this morning. He said charcoal business. There's still a bon charcoal inside Mokole. Yes. He said and then charcoal are the bon inside nya the houses them. Yes. He said Papa government also be don't pull one commander though. They want the way keep bon charcoal. Cut stick them for bon charcoal. And you know they born inside bush. Now near people the houses they burn charcoal. Yes, for the pollute people them. They pollute the air. Yes. Say Abaski say you they burn that charcoal. He said all get this sabi you. They don't sabu say they burn this charcoal here. Yes. He say hey. Then thing there. Let me be careful. I didn't tell you. Taya Basket say, he said inside Tayama tongue, he said he talked about this 10 days there back. He said, can you imagine warawere? He said Tayama then come for can electrify the tongue. Yes. They say but one pull on up darkness. Say no they enjoy light. Man no they enjoy light. Say but who self one can pull on up this darkness. They don't begin the installation there. Begin put the pole them and take the high tension cable there and go pack at the police station. Yes. Warawere. One road just lost Philip. Taya Basket say, he said this one na cause of alarming. Yes. He said the high tension cable there, the pole level, all things involved. Yes, then be packed at the paramount chief house. Taya Basket say one not be lost. You know he say nothing lost. Why now they don't come with the police? Yes. In fact, then they secure lives and property. Yes. How comes now that thing just lost Makolong? What Taya Basket say? They say this one journalists and they follow up, civil activists and they follow up. Yes. They say even 1-2 youth man they follow up on this one. They want to see the outcome, yeah? Then this one not for left so, not for left buff. Say but this thing not for loss mo. They expecting a police station there, not for loss. Taya Basket say that's no more now. This thing on the PCOs in all loss. Yes. They don't need to PC no loss. And just transfer this thing on a police station. Yes, allegedly one who just lost some of Makolong. Anyway, Taya Basket say he said they follow up this one, yeah. And journalists they follow up this one. Yes. Social activists them, civil activists them, yes. They want for see waiting for be the outcome, yeah. Can you imagine? The people they want for let the tongue go before. Other 1, 2, 3 people then they can't almost say no more. We don't want progress. Let you see no more. I they tell you. Oh Salomon. Anyway, now way. Taya Basket say. They say until we all know say 1 or 2 sonko, 1 or 2 no. Yes. They happen inside McKinney tongue. Yes. Taya Basket say the time where the ACC commissioner and in team for go to the former president, yes, for go do 1 or 2 interview until we all know say that day so 1 or 2 youth man them be come on at it. Yes, 1 or 2 devil them. Be come on at it. And say no but this thing. Yes. Would they shake it? Yes. Would they shake it? Yes. Taya Basket say until we all know say that interview they not be right. Yes, but what thing will happen after which Taya Basket say yes. He said he get for come in contact with yes the police media and communication team. Yes. According to them, yes. According to the investigations, then we don't catch over 10 people them. Yes. 10 people them they under police custody. Yes. Out of them 10 they are the 3 there. That's society people there. Yes. Then pull devil. Yes. Can you imagine Salomon? They say interview, go pull devil. Yes. What's in that nigga for do the interview? Let's see no more. Anyway, Teha Basket say, he said they don't catch over 10 and then still they investigate. Can you imagine? Teha Basket say, according to the police media and communication team, yes. In fact, they don't even invite some chief them. Yes. Yes. According to them, yes. Then still they do the investigations them. Well, Teha Basket said that this is one for make you know. Say the police media team, they give the information all the way till they go on, yeah. And Teha Basket say, that one they don't team up, they say this one not go left so. Only one they will be involved with, they make sure so we get it on board. Yes. Teha Basket say you the law fall for, let the law bet you. He say you the law fall for, let bet you. Yes. We're not going to be lawless citizens of this nation. Yes. We're going for the practice patriotism. Yes. We're going for be realistic. Yes. This one not a politics business. Teha Basket say this one not camper politics. This one not camper regionalism. It not camper tribalism. Yes. He said when the person do wrong, let the law better. He said and the police they do the work right now. Yes. Teha Basket say make it stay tuned for that one day. He go continue for the give more update, yeah. Yes. Teha Basket say, he says so one or two rumors they go about the country. Yes. Say Guineans and they exploit, they intimidate Sierra Leoneans inside Guinea. Until we all know say Guinea they can't get an election. Yes. Teha Basket say so one or two rumors they go about, they talk say how the NEPA intimidate Sierra Leoneans inside Guinea. Well, so what's the rumor where they pass where they go around? Yes. Teha Basket say Sierra Leone embassy inside Guinea pull world commando. Yes. They don't pull world commando say that talk they not to two. Yes. They say they inside Guinea tongue. They say that one day na lie talk. Yes. They say they don't see how forget Sierra Leoneans on board na Guinea. Yes, through social media, through community meetings. Yes. They say there is nothing like intimidation. They're not the intimidate no Sierra Leonean. Yes, inside Guinea. Yes. Teha Basket say Sierra Leone embassy right inside Guinea. Pull out commander don't say that one in a lie rumor, yeah. Not to say they happen inside Guinea tongue. And Teha Basket say yes, the Sierra Leone embassy inside Guinea. Yes. Then pull out commander don't say every Sierra Leoneans will pull an off in Guinea election. Yes. They say if you not saying a Sierra Leone, you're inside Guinea, you get for pull up at the election, yeah? Yes. They say even you and a Sierra Leonean, you don't get the voting right for vote inside Guinea. Yes, the embassy they tell you say when the time reach for go vote, he say make you go vote peacefully and cash your back, yeah? On no account you put your hand per politics business day. For begin campaign, begin this, that. No. This word come up from the Sierra Leone embassy right inside Guinea tongue. Yes. As we all know say, we all protect peace and unity, yeah? We want for preach peace and unity. So that this are the word will come up from the Sierra Leone embassy inside Guinea tongue, yeah? Say there is nothing like intimidation, yes? Until you all know say now some of them what they kick out so one or two yonko. Yes, they bring some sonko, yeah? Enough for the happen sobo, yeah? Yes. Yes. Make her ask you a question. And they tell you. Anyway, Teha Basket anyway now, yeah. They say one for make you be that patriotic Sierra Leonean. Yes, make we join hands together for make a better salon. Yes. He say make we join hands together for get a peaceful and better salon. Teha Basket say nobody don't get for make salon. Oh. He say na me you get for make salon sweets. Yes. He say and where yonko happen and they affect the old man. Yes. He say so for make we all maintain peace and stability. Yes, we get for join hands together. We got to put your hands together and see, say, we preach peace, love, and unity in this nation. This politics business, you know, they help in this nation. Oh. In fact, they bring we backwardness. Yes. They say, dear, if they play politics, play on fire. Not playing politics to affect the next man. Not playing politics to disturb the next man. Yes. We all know, say, you get to be patriotic. Yes. Teya baskite you where they pass and bashi. Yes. They say make you remember say something the next one. Not so yeah with the left. We get for go next one. Yes. Teya baskite say that selfishness. That angry belly business. Yes. You want for feed yourself. You want for please yourself. You forget about the masses. Teya baskite say hey, say make you caution, yeah? And Teya baskite, he said that policeman the way he team up na road. He said more especially when he send the way. When he send the way na mano, and he take he see some checkpoints them. Yes. Teya baskite, hey. And to be honest say, this why we don't come up from Freetown self say, well you don't get nothing but do not treat policeman, not even not treat ya. Not disturb the next man, yeah? Yes. But they see today some unnecessary checkpoint and can just do no more. Yes. For disturb the peace of the citizen. Yes. For disturb the Okaramane. Teya baskite say, hey, police away kitima no more treat. Kitima no more, yes. Teya baskite say, hey, yes. Teya baskite say, yeah, you watch you. Teya baskite. He say make you join hands for see say girl pikin go before na this nation, yeah. Let we help for protect we girl pikin them. He say you that parents where that pikin no reach 18 years eight. That pikin below 18 years. He take I go give man. Hey. Some of una don't hand over the pikin for marriage. You know, even 18 years, it's teenage, yes. The pikin a teenager, you don't go give for marriage. Pikin not even 18 years, it's yes. Teya baskite say, hey, you destroy the pikin future, yeah? Yes. He say make you join hands for see say the pikin reach the peak in terms of education, yes. Teya baskite say either Kombra, yes. Where that man can say he wants the pikin. When the pikin they go school first, the pikin not 18 years eight. Tell us say no, wait first. In fact, if the man wants the pikin, they join hands, yeah. For see say yes, this pikin educates. That's why for they happen. But not to you when they catch and pop, he get belly, yes. When you check the pikin not even 18 years eight. Lead to teenage pregnancy, early marriage, yes. Teya baskite say, hey, now with a caution. Teya baskite say sanitation. Yes. It says sanitation. Teya baskite say sanitation. And they talk about cleanliness, yeah? Teya baskite say they want the way get land them. Some man land, you know they brush them. Yes. They land and they grass they don't grow till they don't high. Feed by electric pole. Teya baskite say, hey. They say that we they brush places them. Yes. Then we they clean your environment them, yeah? Teya baskite say cleanliness is next to godliness. Yes. Teya baskite say let we they clean, yeah? Always make sure say they clean your environment. You where they allow dirty water they settle, mosquito then they dance baram. Teya baskite say, hey, you they disturb the next man in peace, yeah? Say, dear Lord, we take care of your environment. Lord, we clean your environment. Teya baskite say, one for say kudos to Jala University. Yes. They say they see that they brush and clean the places. Yes. Tell Baski say one for say kudos, yeah. He said especially to the estate department. He said the workers them really they clean the environment. Tell Baski say one for say kudos. He said but so you will get quarter, yes. Where they wait for them Jala can wash day. He said hey. He said Jala not going to reach all my quarter, yeah. He said so where you get a quarter, mobilize people them. Yes, mobilize people them, let them wash the place. Yes. Don't wait for Jala, don't wait for government. Tell Baski say now they you live. He said some man get confidence in the sleep and gas the back. And they tell you. Anyway. Tell Baski say dear. They say dear. That way they clean the environment, yeah. Yes, inside the basket finally. Tell Basket say they want for join Oba boys, yes. They want for join the both school boys, yes. They want for join them as the demon, yes, the formal, yes, acting principle. We just don't pass away. Tell Basket say one for money together with Oba boys, yeah. It's a more especially Jala Wing, all the Oba boys, yes. All boys, school boys, yes. Tell Basket say one for join them for money as they don't lose the acting principle, yes. Tell Basket say one for join them and money, yeah. And this and this be inside the basket for you this morning. And they tell you. Tell Basket say. He say if in case you just join, yes, the program where they come to you right now at Tell Basket's program title, yeah. The program where they tell about things where they happen cut across the nation. Things where they be cut across, right across the surrounding. Yes, right across the nation. Things that we get for pertaining Sierra Leone, yeah. Things we get for pertaining, yes, the masses. Things that we get for pertaining everybody. A program where they come to you live, right? Najala University Radio, every Monday to Friday. From 9:15 the program can come up to you, okay? If you miss this edition, Tell Basket say make you stay tuned tomorrow for another edition, yeah? Tell Basket say this program they report the thing them across, yes? Tell Basket say na the mouthpiece, yes? Now yes, he said in they talk about the thing where they happen. When things they go on the right way, Tell Basket say they talk them. He said when things are going on the wrong way, Tell Basket say they talk them. Yes? He said now that is stand for, yes? He said one for see justice in this nation. They want for see the right thing that they happen inside this nation, yeah? Tell Basket say make you know say you're not gonna be perfect 100%. He said but we get for strive towards perfection, yes? Tell Basket say we get for strive towards perfection, yeah? He said we get for no say we get for always the evaluate things. When you want to do this, member say you get for sit down and evaluate and say no, this if I do I'm not so it will result. This if I do I bad. So we always get for the thing before we do things out, okay? Yes. Tell Basket say now we are the same people who sit down back. We begin blame the government, yes? When as some of you they bring their issues up. Tomorrow where happen now we say Papa government, where happen now we say stakeholders, where happen now we say that so person. When we are the same Sierra Leoneans, we can cause their havoc there. Hey, Tell Basket say dear. He say make you think twice, make you reason out before you do out things, yeah? Yes. Tell Basket say they go over the headlines them again before I left the studio this morning. Yes. They talk about, yes, one belly woman where they deliver a house, yes. Try for deliver them. Tell you to go to the hospital, water don't pass Gary. Yes. One or two things don't happen. Tell Basket say this alarm no more, yeah? He said, dear, then we know they deliver a house. Yes. You that better woman join clinic and make sure say you go clinic. Yes, we got hospital, we get clinic there, we get PHUs them around. Yes. He said that for your safety and the picking your safety one, yeah? Tell Basket talk about charcoal burning. Yes. He said charcoal burning on the gun increase. People that just they burn charcoal, yes. Tell Basket say, hey. He said that with a caution, yeah. He talk about the missing of the high tension cable, yes. Inside Tayama tongue. See where we packed at the police station. Just don't lose some of my column. Anyway, Tell Basket say investigations they still go on. And journalists they follow up towards this one, yes. Civil and social activists and they follow up. The one for see what will be the outcome, yeah? He said anything I get for the stop, more especially teach business. He said we go for the teach disciplines, yes. We go for the set example, set the pace. When somebody, yes, when the example don't be set, the next person not go do again. Tiabaski talk about that incident inside McKinney. Yes. He said as they don't catch over 10 people, among them 10 today, when I be society people will come out with the devil. Yes. And the 7 among the 10. Now people then youth man the way they just capture no more brap. Then use them say no but una come we need you now. Tiabaski say police still they do the investigations. They won't forget that all the one that were involved. Yes. They want to know the cause goods. Yes. Tiabaski also talk about. He said that 1 or 2, 3 policemen they keep him up along the way for the disturb. Then 1, 2, 3 by command them. When they pass on my AC and up. Hey. Yes. Tiabaski say hey. Enough for the happen so. Then Tiabaski talk about the allegation inside Guinea. Where Boku Saloman or Boku 1 or 2, 3 people and they pass say then they intimidate.